Hello dear student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from LBM School. In this video, we are discussing the revised topics. The topic is more about salt. And common salt as raw material for some chemicals. And another topic is or the salt really dry? Because it is the most important segment of the chapter 2 and we are discussing them one by one. Dear student, you all know about the salt. Salt is made up by the neutralization reaction between acid and base. And let's categorize how many types of salts. So, if we study about detail of the salt, that is, salt are categorized in neutral, acidic and basic. So when it forms neutral salt and when it forms acidic salt and basic salt. So when strong acid and strong base are combined to each other, then they form neutral salt. But when the strong acid combined with weak base, it forms acidic salt. When the weak acid combined with strong base. So in this way, we can consider that there is a formation. The reactants, that is strong base or strong acid, or both are strong. They are determined what is the nature of salt. It will be neutral, acidic or basic. So in this way, now take one example, each of them. First, the strong acid and strong base. Strong acid and strong base. Strong acid, suppose SNO3 here. Strong acid. Or strong base, that is KOH. Then what will form? It forms KNO3 plus H2. KNO3 plus H2O. Now another example. So it forms, that is KNO3, that is potassium nitrate. It is also called niter. Potassium nitrate used in manufacture of gunpowder. So it is salt, but it is a neutral salt. Now acidic. How the acidic is formed? The acidic is formed by the combination of, एक simple example है, एसिडिक। तो एसिडिक कैसे बनेगा? H2SO4 स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है एंड NH4OH एक वीक बेस है। तो क्या बनाएगा मिलके? NH4 SO4 twice plus H2 अमोनियम सल्फेट। अमोनियम सल्फेट, तो जो अमोनियम सल्फेट है ये एसिडिक सॉल्ट होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड है और वीक बेस है। तो वीक बेस का भी पोर्शन आता है और स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड का भी पोर्शन आता है। नाउ बेसिक, बेसिक दैट इज H2CO3 प्लस CaO। कार्बोनिक एसिड है, वीक बेस, एसिडिक क्विकलाइम है, that is calcium oxide, react to form CaCO3 plus H2. So this salt will be basic, that is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. So it is in this way we can categorize on the basis of their nature, that is it will be neutral, acidic or basic. And formation of acidic or basic or neutral salt, it is depend on the acid nature of acid and bases. Now come to the another topic, that is common salt as a raw material. Common salt as a raw material. Very important from examination point of view. Common salt as a raw material for some chemicals. That is, now we will see common salt. You are very familiar of them. Common salt कैसे रॉ मटेरियल यूज होगा फॉर डिफरेंट केमिकल्स, जैसे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा, sodium bicarbonate, and after that baking soda is formed by the combination of few amount of mild acid, that is tartaric acid, and after that the heating of sodium bicarbonate we will find the sodium carbonate, and in this way by the combination of common salt with water and electrolysis we will find the formation of sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas, and these are act as a raw material for the some chemicals like, now that is sodium chloride common salt plus NaCl plus H2O. H2O is a liquid, it is aqueous and form NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. These are the aqueous and it is a gas, It is also gas and it is gas. By electrolysis. Electrolysis. How it form? The processes happen or it takes place? First we take the sodium chloride salt and mix in water, and now the electricity is passed on the solution of salt, and the solution of salt is called a special term. Solution of salt is called a special term, that is brine. It is called a common name of salt solution. Salt solution. So in this way we can know about them. Salt solution को brine solution भी कहते हैं. Now two material मिल गया. एक was sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. Now we'll take up one by one. So first, when we pass chlorine gas into calcium hydroxide. Now bleaching powder is formed. तो calcium hydroxide क्या होता है? That is CaOH का whole twice plus Cl2 and it will give rise to CaOCl2 plus H2O. तो bleaching powder बन गया आपका CaOCl2 bleaching powder, and chemically named that calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. बहुत सारे यूजेस हैं कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड के. टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में यूज होता है, ब्लीचिंग में यूज होता है. ब्लीचिंग जैसे ड्राई क्लीनिंग में होता है उसमें भी यूज होता है, और ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ वाटर, एंड it is used to kill the bacteria because chlorine is present, used to kill the bacteria present into the water. And Jal also include in the very large quantity uses in the water tank from which supply to the peoples. So calcium oxychloride is very important to us. It is act as kill the bacteria which is present into the water. It is used in the textile industry, and it is used at dry cleaning and treatment of water. So in this way we can easily find the question arise from them. Now we will take another chemical with synthesis with the help of sodium chloride. That is first formation of sodium bicarbonate. That is first we take NaCl plus H2O. It is also called brine solution because NaCl plus H2O. Again addition of some gases, that is CO2 and H2O. Sorry, NH3. Both the gases. It is your aqueous, L that is liquid, G gas, G also gas, and it will form NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. So in this way we can able to form सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. तो सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट जो है फॉर्म हो गया विद द हेल्प ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड एंड वाटर एंड these gases, that is carbon dioxide gas and अमोनिया gas combined to form अमोनियम क्लोराइड एंड सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट। तो सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट भी क्या यूज होता है? सो व्हाट इज द यूजेस ऑफ सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट? तो पहला यूज है फूड को क्रिस्पी बनाने में यूज होता है। इट इज यूज टू मेक फूड क्रिस्पी इन द किचन एंड इट इज यूज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेकिंग पाउडर। तो बेकिंग पाउडर कैसे बनता है? इसको लेते हैं सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट को और कोई माइल्ड एसिड मिला लेते हैं, हल्का एसिड या वीक एसिड मिला लेते हैं, जैसे टार्टेरिक एसिड हुआ, आप मिला सकते हैं। मिला के बन जाता है आपका सोडियम, आपका बेकिंग सोडा बेकिंग पाउडर बन जाता है। और ये बेकिंग पाउडर यूज होता है ब्रेड बनाने में। और जब बेकिंग पाउडर को ब्रेड में यूज करते हैं तो ब्रेड स्पॉन्जी और सॉफ्ट होता है ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा। तो बेकिंग सोडा किससे बनता है? कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट विथ माइल्ड एसिड सच एज टार्टेरिक एसिड। तो टार्टेरिक एसिड और सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट को अगर हम एक इक्वल क्वांटिटी में मिक्स करते हैं तो हमारा बेकिंग पाउडर प्रिपेयर हो जाता है। नाउ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बेकिंग पाउडर, formation of use in make food crispy and use in food crispy and use in fire extinguisher, that is called soda acid fire extinguisher, and it is also used as antacid. Antacid is a special term. That is, it act the mild base, that is act against the higher secretion of acid. So in this way we can recall the uses of sodium bicarbonate. अगर हम सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट को हीट करते हैं, that is NaHCO3, तो क्या बनेगा? हीट करेंगे तो it form Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO. So in this way, after heating the sodium bicarbonate, we will find the sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. And when यही सोडियम कार्बोनेट को हम अगर प्लस 10 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा क्या बन जाता है? सोडियम कार्बोनेट डेकाहाइड्रेट, इसको बोलते हैं वॉशिंग सोडा। तो वॉशिंग सोडा का फॉर्मूला क्या हो गया? Na2CO3 into 10H2O and it is also called washing soda. It is used to treatment the permanent hardness of water. So इसको वाटर को सॉफ्ट करने में यूज किया जाता है और बहुत सारे सोडियम कंपाउंड को सिंथेसिस करने में इसका हेल्प होता है। टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में यूज होता है, डिटर्जेंट बनाने में यूज होता है, यही सारे यूजेस होते हैं। पेपर मिल में भी इसका यूज होता है, क्लीनिंग एजेंट के थ्रू यूज किया जाता है क्योंकि कोरोसिव इन नेचर होता है। सो इन दिस वे वी कैन समराइज दिस कॉमन सॉल्ट एज अ रॉ मटेरियल फॉर सम केमिकल्स। दूसरा टॉपिक, जो लास्ट टॉपिक है आपका, वो टॉपिक है आर द सॉल्ट आर रियली ड्राई। Salt are the salt really dry? Let's take the activity that is dry and clean test tube. Hang with tongue and hit with this burner and take the some salt of copper sulfate. After heating, we find the some vapor or revolve. Heating this copper sulfate, and here is some vapor or seen after the heating. In this way, we can consider the salt are not really dry. They have fixed amount of water molecule within, that is copper sulfate pentahydrate, that is sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is also soda. Similarly, CaSO4 into half H2O, it is called POP. POP, that is plaster of Paris. And when we again add the 1.5 H2O into them, it forms ये बनाएगा CaSO4 into 2H2O, that is called gypsum. That is called gypsum. So plaster of Paris is used in the supporting for fracture of bone, and it is also used in the making of various toys. So in this way we done the various revision of the chapter 2 of various topics. So another topic we will discuss in the next video.